And remember,
it's hard with an audience. All right, take two. All right, guys, thanks for watching tonight's video. We hope you try the recipe. And are you gonna say it?
wait, what? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot.
We're puppy sitting right now, so we have a lot of puppies.
Yeah, if you hear like barking or pitter patter, there's puppies.
We are puppy setting for 3 dogs tonight.
Yeah.
But in tonight's video, we are making breakfast for dinner, and we are going to share our favorite einkorn pancake and waffle recipe with you. I had supper in the crock pot and it is not ready yet, so this is going to be our go-to tonight, and we're going to make it with you. So I love baking with einkorn flour. We also make some einkorn muffins that are Dylan's favorite.
Yeah.
We got that recipe from our friend Stacy, and it is the best recipe. So maybe we'll share that one with you too. We're gonna go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. You guys wanna do that?
Yeah.
It's 1.5 cups of einkorn flour. There you go. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. There you go. Okay, good
I
job.
don't want to get my hands messy right there.
We need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we like Redmond's real salt here. Okay, whoop. Okay, you gonna put that in? And let's just mix all that up first. And then we will add the wet ingredients. All right, which one of you likes pancakes and which one likes waffles?
Pancakes.
Yeah. I like waffles. I think waffles are better because it can hold the syrup in it.
I like pancakes, but I don't really care. Just give me one and I'll eat it.
Okay, mix it up pretty good? Yeah. Okay, next we're gonna put the wet ingredients in, and it calls for 1 cup of milk. We have
It's okay.
that.
Okay. Squeeze the fish.
Comment below, what's your favorite?
Pancake?
Waffles or pancakes?
That's a good one. I'm kind of torn. I like them both.
Yeah, I like them both. I just like pancakes a little more.
Whoop, I got that pretty full. Okay,
What's a cooking video without making a mess?
right? A teaspoon of vanilla.
If you're cooking with her, there's always going to be a mess around. Just so you know that.
What?
Probably
Yep.
like 2 of those. if you don't load it.
2 firm fresh eggs and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. There's the butter.
Butter.
Now, do you want to do the eggs or you want me to do it?
I'll do it. You can hold it easy.
Okay.
Dylan's banging.
Yeah. Good job, buddy. You usually don't like doing that one.
Because I hate getting messy.
Stuff on your hands.
I hate getting messy.
Okay. And you put the butter in, and then the last ingredient is maple syrup or honey, whichever you have, and it's 1 tablespoon. Okay. And we're just gonna stir it right on up. I'll clean it up, baby.
Just make more nice.
That's okay. Did we lose Gavin?
Yep.
Izzy's thirsty.
I will put this recipe down below so you can have it.
She's losing all of us.
I'm losing them all.
Come here, baby.
So this is a recipe you could easily double and have for a couple days for breakfast.
I just put Izzy in the cage, but it looks like Dylan wants him. He didn't play Crazy, no biting. No biting.
Sometimes if you find that the batter's too thick, you could always add a little water or just a tad bit more milk if you'd like.
She's going crazy. I gotta put her up.
Is he going crazy? Okay, let me try it.
Gonna taste test it? Just a tad bit more milk in. That's a good thing about recipes. You can add some of this and add some of that.
Here's another one. This is Emma. The other puppy where Puppy's sitting, she's like 200 pounds, so I can't pick her up.
Yeah, she's a big puppy. Come here, Gracie.
Okay, I think that's good. We have our waffle maker already heated up. I'm gonna heat up this cast iron pan for the pancakes, and we will be right back.
I'm gonna show you guys Gracie.
This is the other one, Gracie.
Oh, she's scared.
You scared of the camera?
She hates everything.
Are you camera shy?
She's scared of
baby.
everything.
It's okay, baby.
Okay, Gracie. Gracie, where are you?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you try tonight's recipe.
And remember, comment below. Do you like pancakes or waffles better?
Remember to like and share our videos and subscribe if you're not already.